Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my 5th gen Ram 1500 Rebel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how I replaced these old rusty drop steps with new running boards that won't rust. Alright, seeing as how these drop steps were all rusty and making the whole truck look bad, I went ahead and removed them. Next, I went ahead and researched some running boards that wouldn't look like garbage after 2 years. I saw that these running boards offered a corrosion-proof stainless steel build, and figured I'd go ahead and give them a try. I laid all the parts out on my garage floor. Installation was relatively simple, didn't require a high level of skill. Here's a quick parts overview. Each side step used 3 mounting brackets. Here's a quick look at the first step. The driver front mounting bracket and all of the other brackets are very easy to install. 3 washers, 3 nuts, tighten them up, and you're done. Next, I installed the driver side middle bracket. Pretty much the same as the front. And last, I installed the driver side rear bracket. Make sure to tighten your hardware. Here's a quick look at how the brackets looked after they were installed. Next up, I went ahead and installed the running boards to the mounting brackets. These ones use a simple 1-bolt design and a U-bracket to secure them to the truck. I found it was easiest to start with the rearmost U-bracket, and then after that was loosely installed, I went ahead and installed the frontmost bracket, and finished up with the center bracket. Make sure to check out my other content.